Hello everyone, Alex here. Actually, I wanted to go over this in this video to talk about some missing pieces I forgot to mention in the previous tutorial. Essentially, this is how this needs to look. We need to have DNS, API integration, SSL, and Wildcard on for the WordPress multi-site to work appropriately. So the DNS integration is primarily the DNS Made Easy, which is this site here. Just go to dnsmadeeasy.com. You have to purchase the business plan. It's $5 a month or $60 a year. It's pretty inexpensive. Once you get that, you just set up the API credentials inside of Gridpane to set up your API integration. So if you go back to here, go to your settings, and go into DNS providers, you have to provide your DNS Made Easy API token. Okay, and once you do that, all you have to do is pop it in there and save. Then you just go back to Gridpane, go to sites. When you create your site, okay, select your server. You should be able to see API integration called DNS Made Easy Full. So this is what needs to be set, and you have to make sure you disable SSL. So apologize in the previous video, but SSL has to stay to none, and you have to enable DNS Made Easy Full. Okay, once that's enabled, then you can go to the site. And once the site's been created, you go to your site. And in this order, you have to turn on the wildcard first. Okay, once you do that and it gives you the OK message over here, then you click SSL to turn that on. Okay, once you load your site up, this should already be on. If it's not, make sure it's green, and then you click wildcard, make sure it works, and then click SSL so that it turns on. And after you do that, you go to settings and do auto SSL. Okay, as you can see here, this is not auto SSL, so I'm going to turn that on. It says auto SSL is enabled, and it allows me to have anytime I create a subdomain on the multi-site, it's going to wildcard the SSL, or it's going to give that domain a wildcard SSL, and it's also going to because it's auto SSL, it's going to trigger. So that auto SSL is needed so that Gridpane knows that there's a new subdomain created. So this is the full scope that needs to be done. You have to create a DNS Made Easy account. This is what the console looks like. It's quite similar to your domain manager for here. So whatever your registrar is, you have to put in the DNS Made Easy name servers. These will be the exact ones you have to plop in here. And once you do that and click save, DNS Made Easy is going to manage your domain at that point, and you plop in the same IPs from before. In this case, for the @ symbol, you don't put that. You just leave it blank here, and it means the same thing. And you put your IP, you click submit and close. And then you do for the next one, right? Put a star, put your IP, submit, and close. And nothing else needs to be changed. Once you do that, give it a 5 or 10 minutes to propagate. Okay. Once you set up your DNS Made Easy, you're just gonna click Add Domain and add your domain here. When you click OK, it's gonna give you your name servers. When it loads the page up, it's gonna be creating word here notification, and you have to wait till that disappears to make sure DNS Made Easy has propagated your domain appropriately. I've noticed some cases where when you try to do the SSL and it's still trying to provision here, it's going to throw some errors, so keep that in mind. And yeah, just wanted to make sure you guys knew that. And in the next tutorial, we'll go over the multi-site setup. All right, thanks.